Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Fresh out today, one of the top sellers. This is called WP Essentials. It's a library of, I think, 4,600 plus WordPress themes, plugins, WooCommerce themes, plugins, that kind of thing. And once you set this up, so it is $15. There's a $5 off discount coupon code. You click the link, it'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's a demo video showing you how it works. There's all the upgrade offers, obviously the description of this. And then at the bottom of that blog post, $5 off discount coupon code. You grab that, you go to this site, you click it like when you're ready to buy it. And then there's just underneath the price, it has a thing that says, I have a coupon. You click that and put in your coupon code. It takes it down from $15 down to $10. So you got $5 just for watching the video. And check this out. This is crazy cool. Just tons of WordPress plugins and themes. And that's exciting all by itself. And then the extra thing is you can install it and sell it for any price you want to others. So it's kind of like we'll call it a PLR, WordPress plugins kind of a setup. I'll let you scroll through, but I'm going to just give you a little look inside here. Install on your website or your client's website, charge any amount you want. And away you go. It's a one-time fee, the $10 with the discount coupon. Like I said, 4,600 WordPress themes, plugins, extensions. Install it in 30 seconds and away you go. There's an app search engine to go through all that stuff. To find, obviously, 4,600 is a ton of stuff. And themes and plugins for 15 plus different hot niches. And away you go. It really is that straightforward. They really don't go into a lot more, they show you, you're going to have all these plugins. There is somewhere down here, a bit of a scroll through list of all the plugins. Am I going to get to it? You can see here, pretty much install it. There, look at all that. Like there's just a ton of this stuff. And I'll let you watch the demo video. It's at my site. I'm looking down from the thing here, there you go. Okay, sorry, that was a lot of scrolling to get to this. And it's not so much to pick out anything in particular. It's just to let you have the idea. There's a ton of plugins, themes. You can see all sorts of different ones here. I'll let you scroll through, watch the demo video, check it all out. And again, this whole thing, $15, $10 after the discount coupon code. So click the link in the video description, go to my site at marketingsharks.com, watch the demo video, the description of all this, one-time offers, and then the blog or the discount coupon codes at the bottom of that blog post. Grab the coupon, save $5, brings it down to $10 for almost unlimited library of WordPress themes, plugins, extensions, the whole 9 yards. Go check it out. It's called WP Essentials. Fresh out today. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.